come up with the song What in the Butt? Well, working and friends.
Come on.
I always talk about my butt.
Hatamata, 8 months today, and he just crawled. Honey, push pause on TV.
Flip it or rub it down? Oh no.
No, he's cranked. He might not do it. Oh my god! Come on, Hatamata. Come on. Come on, he just did it. I could not believe. All of a sudden I look and he's crawling. He's been on all fours, but... Come on. Come on. Come on. There he goes. There he goes. Come on. There he goes. There he goes. Oh my god.
Come on, buddy.
Look at him. Oh my god.
Good job, buddy. Come on, son. You want this turtle, don't you?
Good job, buddy. He crawled. He's officially a crawler.